Join us for our church services on Wednesdays at 6 p.m. and on Sundays at 9 a.m. with our man of God, Prophet Raja Kutsi, in Katima Malilo, Namibia. Call +264 81 611 255 for directions. Follow us on our Facebook page at RUUUPU Restoration Center and on our YouTube channel at Prophet Raja Kutsi. To support the work of God, you can pledge unto the bank account on the screen, or you can pledge via PayPal to the following email: rajakutsi@gmail.com for PayPal transactions. Come and spend time at Bethel Prayer Mountain and hear the voice of God, His will for your life.
This is a realm of your glory. This is a realm of your grace. I can feel your mighty power. It is moving in this place. Da da da, 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 da da da. La la la, la la la, la la la, la la la, la la la.